Greetings, this is Team Pookies. Our problem statement was learning patterns and classroom strategy insights. So we approach this problem in two parts: data preparation and ML training. In the data preparation phase, we firstly cleaned the data, replacing empty values with the respective modes. Then we did feature engineering, defining 21 mathematical formulae in the form of composite variables. Then we did feature selection, choosing the 10 most relevant composite variables, making the dataset training ready. In the ML stage, we benchmarked 5 ML models, and linear regression turned out to be the best fit for our dataset. We also benchmarked the types of linear regression and finally chose a Huber regression model. More on it is present in our report or README file. Now, upon opening the website, the educator would be redirected to this page. Here, he can drop the particular dataset of his school or college. Here he can choose any of the classes, or if he wants the insights of the entire school. So in the dashboard panel, the overview of the entire particular chosen class is given. Here also the display of at-risk students is also mentioned. Now throughout the entire implementation, we had provided the support of an AI chatbot here. Here the educator can chat with it on any of the queries related to the dataset. In the cluster section, we had leveraged k-means for identifying 4 types of students. Upon clicking any one of them, we would be redirected to a page where individual students belonging to that cluster is mentioned. And again, upon clicking any one of the students, we will get a detailed insight of his or her data. This was the profile section. In the insight section, the educator can predict its next score, and also the prediction, like why the prediction was made, would be explained by AI here. Yep, so as you can see here, the response of the AI was individual specific. In the simulator section, the educator can tweak any of the 3 particular variables mentioned here and can run a simulation to find out what would be the predicted marks and how much difference would be incurred. This is the timeline of the particular individual student. And in intervention section, the suggestions of the educator could be mentioned here. Also, AI generated suggestions could be made. In the warning section, the students at a list of students at risk of declining performance is mentioned throughout the database, which was earlier provided by the educator. Moving towards the fairness audit section, it analyzes whether students from disadvantageous group face adverse or unfair outcomes compared to advantaged groups. This helps identify systematic biases in academia clustering patterns and learning outcomes. Now here, as you can see, 100% of the dimensions are fair as per our ML training and as well as from the data provided by the educator. Here in the report section, the insights of entire data set is mentioned or visible, and the educator can export it in the form of CSV or a PDF document as well. So this was our implementation on the topic. Thank you so much for your time.